Dear parent, are you dealing with concerns about your child's future or perhaps overlooking the warning signs? Take a moment and reflect. Are you concerned about the stress and pressure your child is experiencing due to exams? Do you find it tough to decide on the best academic path for your child? Are you unsure about the right career options for your child? Is your child lacking motivation and passion for studies? Is excessive use of social media affecting your child's focus and concentration on studies? You are not alone. Let's address these concerns together and pave the way for a more confident and fulfilling future for your child. Stop worrying, start planning. Take action now. Elysian, where questions find answers and futures find direction.